In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS in Bluehost. If you're setting up a website or need to configure your domain settings, understanding how to add DNS records is a crucial skill. Don't worry if it sounds a bit technical. I'm here to guide you step by step through the process, ensuring it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. Let's start by logging into your Bluehost account manager. You'll need your login credentials handy for this, typically your username and password that you use for all your Bluehost interactions. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Hosting tab you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where we'll begin making our way toward managing your DNS settings. Now, if you have multiple hosting accounts within your Bluehost account, it's important to select the right one. Look through your list of hosting accounts to find the specific site or domain you want to work with. Once you've located it, simply click on it and then hit the Manage button. This will bring you to a dashboard tailored for the specific hosting account you've chosen. Within this dashboard environment, you'll encounter something called Quick Links. Here, you'll see an option to access cPanel, which is short for Control Panel. Go ahead and click on cPanel to move forward. cPanel is the heart of your hosting management, and it might look a bit overwhelming at first because it's packed with features, but we're focusing specifically on the domain section today. Scroll down within cPanel until you see the domain section. What you're looking for here is the Zone Editor. This tool is vital for managing DNS records and is the gateway to making the changes you need. When you've found it, click on Zone Editor, and you'll be directed to a new page. On this page, find your domain. You'll see a list of domains here if you have multiple ones. Locate the domain you're planning to edit and click the Manage button next to it. It's crucial to choose the correct domain so that you're making changes to the right website setup. Once you're in the management area for your specific domain, you'll want to scroll down to the section that allows you to add a new DNS record. Here's where you'll be adding the DNS specifics needed for your site. To start adding the record, click on the plus sign that says Plus Add Record. This will open up a form where you can enter the specifics of the DNS record you need to add. Choose the appropriate record type, such as A, CNAME, MX, TXT, SRV, etc. Each type serves a different function, like directing traffic or verifying domain ownership. So select the one that suits your requirement. Enter the necessary information into the host field and the points to address. Typically, you'll want to leave the TTL or time to live setting at its default value unless you have specific instructions otherwise. TTL determines how long the server should cache the information. Finally, with all your information correctly entered, click on Save Record. This action will finalize your work, updating the DNS settings for your domain. And there you go. You've successfully added DNS records to your domain using Bluehost. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. With this process complete, your changes may take a bit of time to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if you don't see immediate changes. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy hosting.